Hello, my dear student. Welcome once again our compulsory theory course, that is the physics of semiconductor devices. In some previous video, we will discuss the module number 2. We will start the module number 2 and some points will be covered in previous video. In this video, we will cover the next some points of the module number 2. In that video, we will cover the 3 points, that is 2 points, that is the depletion layer capacitance. Second one is the energy band diagram of PN junction under thermal equilibrium, reverse bias and forward bias. Let's start the first point, that is the depletion layer capacitance. This is the depletion capacitance. Okay, in the screen the diagram shows that differential change in the space charge width and the differential change in reverse bias voltage of uniformly doped junction. Let's see, the diagram is the reverse bias, and this reverse bias diagram, let's see the diagram number 2. Let's see the energy band diagram number 2. That's negative terminal is connected to the P region and positive terminal is connected to the N region. In that reverse bias, in reverse bias, this holes is connected to that negative terminal and this electrons is connected to the positive terminal. That's why these holes and this holes, that P region is connected to the negative terminal. That means this in P region the majority carriers are the holes. That's why this negative charge attract, or that holes is attract to the negative charge, and that in N region the majority carrier are electron and it's connected to the positive terminal. That's why this electron is attracted to that positive charge. Why? Because the like charges and unlike charges, equal charges असेल तर काय होणार, that will be the repulsion, but opposite charges either positive or negative, that will be the attracted, like charges or unlike charges. And in that condition, reverse bias, that width that we show, the W is the width of that PN junction, and that width will be increases. Okay, this in the P region, that holes कुठे येणार आहे, बाउंड्रीवर येणार आहे. कशा रिजनची जी बाउंड्री आहे तिथे येणार आहे. सॉरी, जो पी रिजनची जी बाउंड्री आहे जिथे की आपण निगेटिव्हला कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे, तिथे काय होणार की ते निगेटिव्ह चार्ज त्या होल्सला काय करणार, होल्स काय करणार, निगेटिव्हकडे काय होणार, अट्रॅक्ट होणार. अँड दॅट्स वाय दिस विड्थ ऑफ डिप्लिशन रिजन विल बी increases and the direction of electric field show the arrow. And this depletion capacitance, let's see the diagram. The applied the reverse voltage means we will connect that reverse bias, will connect to the reverse bias, and that Xn is the width, depletion width of in the N region, and minus this Xp is the depletion width in the P region. Okay, and in the negative side and in the positive side, because that apply will be the reverse bias, connected to the reverse bias. This in depletion region, depletion capacitance, since we have the separation of positive and negative charges, in the depletion region, a capacitance is associated with PN junction. This capacitance will be associated with PN junction. Then figure shows that charge density in the depletion region for applied reverse voltage of VR and VR plus DVR. Applied voltage is the VR and applied voltage is the VR plus, that is the reverse voltage, VR plus DVR. DVR is that will be the increase in reverse bias voltage. Then an increase in the reverse bias voltage DVR will be uncover additional positive charge in the N region and the additional negative charge in the P region. काय म्हटले, the increase in reverse bias voltage DVR will uncover the as additional positive charge in N region. That is the minority charge in N region is the holes and majority is the electrons, and that will be the uncover in N positive charge. Positive charge कसा N region मध्ये, that will be the minority, and the additional negative charge in P region. P region मध्ये majority काय, holes, and minority is the negative charge, that is the electron, and the junction or depletion capacitance is defined by C dash is equal to dq dash divided by dvr, that is the equation number 1. Depletion capacitance is defined as the C dash is equal to dq dash divided by dvr, and that capacitance, this capacitance C dash, depletion capacitance, where that dq dash is equal to E into that charge ND. ND is the doping concentration, donor impurity concentration, into dxn. Xn is the, that is the width in N region, is also equal to the ENA, acceptor impurity concentration, dxp, that is the width of that in P region, in the P region, and that is the equation number 2. The differential charge dq dash is, the unit is coulomb per meter square, so the capacitance C is unit Faradays per square centimeter, that is F by centimeter square, or capacitance per unit area. And for the total potential barrier, equation may be written as, in previous video we will see the total potential barrier, that Xn is equal to, in bracket 2 epsilon s Vbi plus Vr divided by E in bracket Na upon Nd, in next bracket 1 upon Na plus Nd, the whole bracket complete raised to half. In previous video we will see the equation Xn, and the junction capacitance can be written as C dash is equal to dq dash into dVr is equal to, and this is equal to the that END, that is the donor, means in the end region, donor impurity concentration, that is the in end region, END divided by dxn divided by dVr. This END dxn, but we will show the differentiation dq dash is equal to dVr with respect to dVr, and so that C dash is equal to, we will put the value of Xn, means we will dxn divided by dVr less the, this is the differentiation with respect to dVr, means with respect to Vr, differentiation घेतलं कशाचं, with respect to Vr in the Xn. Xn ची व्हॅल्यू इक्वेशन 3 मध्ये आहे बघा, स्टेप वाईज कॅल्क्युलेशन करा. Xn आहे तुम्हाला दिलेला, आणि तुम्हाला काय करायचं, फक्त dxn डिवायडेड बाय d इंटू व्ही आर, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू व्ही आर काय करायचं, त्याचं डिफरन्शिएशन घ्यायचं, आणि तुम्हाला इक्वेशन 5 मिळून जाणार. अँड द जंक्शन कॅपॅसिटन्स इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज, ए डिप्लिशन कॅपॅसिटन्स. द जंक्शन कॅपॅसिटन्स इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज ए डिप्लिशन कॅपॅसिटन्स, अँड दॅट्स इक्वेशन 5. अँड we can also write C dash is equal to epsilon s divided by W, and this equation 6 also gives the capacitance per unit area of a parallel plate capacitor or parallel plate capacitor, and the space charge width is the function of reverse bias voltage, so that the junction capacitance is also a function of reverse bias voltage applied to the PN junction. Let's see the diagram. In this diagram we will apply to the reverse bias voltage, and this the equation we will prove. These are the depletion capacitance. Then next is the PN junction in thermal equilibrium for forward bias and reverse bias. Let's see the energy band diagram. That's a PN junction associated with energy band diagram from zero bias, reverse bias and forward bias. First is the zero bias. Then in second, reverse bias, that is a depletion width will be increases, and in third is the forward bias, depletion width is decreases, will be increases. And let's see the in previous, that is the diagram we will see. In the next, the thermal equilibrium. Let's see the figure in thermal equilibrium. That figure shows the energy band diagram of PN junction in thermal equilibrium. The P region and N region, the W is the width and direction of electric field. In this thermal equilibrium, PN junction in thermal equilibrium, the potential barrier, that is the potential barrier does not allow the electrons in N region to flow into the P region. तो allow करत नाही, because in the thermal equilibrium तो अलो करत नाही की पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर दॅट इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द एन रिजन टू द पी रिजन, एन रिजनमधून पी रिजन जाण्यासाठी. सिमिलरली द होल्स आर नॉट अलाउड टू फ्लो इन टू द एन रिजन. दस द पोटेन्शियल बॅरियर मेंटेन्स अ थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम अँड दॅट विल बी द मेंटेन in the thermal equilibrium. Then second one is the reverse bias. Second one is the reverse bias. Let's see the diagram for the reverse bias. That P region is connected to the negative terminal and N region is connected to the positive terminal. That's why this is that PN junction will be the reverse bias PN junction. Reverse bias PN junction. होतंय काय आता की P region मध्ये काय, P region मध्ये आहे मायनॉरिटी कॅरियर आहे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर आहे होल्स. पी रिजनमध्ये मेजॉरिटी होल्स अँड मायनॉरिटी काय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अँड एन रिजनमध्ये मेजॉरिटी आहे होल्स अँड मेजॉरिटी आहे होल्स, मायनॉरिटी आहे मेजॉरिटी आहे इलेक्ट्रॉन. एन रिजनमध्ये मेजॉरिटी आहे इलेक्ट्रॉन अँड मायनॉरिटी आहे होल्स. अँड दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू द रिव्हर्स बायस. दिस पॉझिटिव्ह आता निगेटिव्हला कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे पी रिजन. दॅट्स वाय दिस होल इज अट्रॅक्टेड टू द निगेटिव्ह चार्ज अँड दॅट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज attracted to the positive charge. That's why this width of depletion region will be increases. Depletion region will be increases and the potential of end region is positive with respect to the P region. Potential of end region काय होणार आहे will be positive with respect to P region. So the Fermi level in N region is lower than in P region. Fermi level in energy in the N region is lower than the P region, and so the increased potential barrier hold back the electron and holes. Hence the charge flow. Hence no charge flow, and that is no current. Charge flow न झाल्यामुळे करंट सुद्धा काय आपल्याला भेटणार नाही. कुठे रिव्हर्स बायस मध्ये. In the forward bias, let's see the diagram in forward bias. This positive is connected to the positive and negative is connected to the negative. This P junction is connected to the P region is connected to the positive and N region is connected to the negative terminal. Let's see this P region is connected to the positive terminal. That's why this positive, this holes काय होणार आहे की this positive is attracted to the that holes and negative because this is the same charges or like charges. This will be the like charges काय होणार आहे की रिपेल होणार आहे. काय होणार आहे रिपेल. and this forward bias, this forward bias this positive and this negative will be repel with each other. This holes and this positive will repel each other and this electron is connected to that negative charge and this will be the repel with each other. That's why this width, the depletion width will be increases. Depletion width will be decreases. Then figure shows the energy band diagram for forward bias. The Fermi level in P region is lower than the N region. Fermi level in P region is lower than the N region. And let's see the reverse bias. Fermi level in N region is lower than the P region and this P region is lower than the N region. So the potential barrier now reduce. And smaller potential barrier means the electric field depletion region also reduce. In reverse bias, it will be the attract this P region. That means this holes is attracted to the negative charge. That's why the depletion width will be increases. But in that forward bias, this positive terminal is connected to the holes and that will this same charges will there and this is the repel with each other. And that's why this width will be decreases. This width will be increases. And electrons is connected to that negative. That's why it will repel out and that's why this width will be decreased. And so the potential barrier is now reduced and that electric field in depletion region is also reduced. Due to small electric field, electron and holes move into the N and P region respectively, there will be diffusion of holes from P region across the space charge region into N region. And similarly, there will be diffusion for electrons from N region across the space charge region into P region. And the flow of charge generates the electron through the P junction. इथे काय होणार की चार्ज फ्लो होणार आहे. The flow of charge generate a current through the PN junction. These are the 3 points will be covered. That is the depletion layer capacitance energy band diagram of PN junction under thermal equilibrium and reverse bias and forward bias. In this next video, we will cover the next point.